Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the e-commerce section, and it is a pretty large section inside of Fantastico. Now basically what we're looking at here are shopping carts and then things revolving around the purchase process. Whether that is, in some cases, you've got Invoice Ninja, and that really is a solution for invoicing and billing customers. A shop script, which allows you to interface with other payment gateways, and ways of being able to bill your clients when they are using part of your hosting. And we're going to look at the shopping cart, Open Cart. And so we're going to click this link. We do that, we're going to scroll back to the top here, and then we're going to click Install a New Copy. Once we get to the install screen, we're going to write in our directory. We're going to place a username, password, and then email. Once we have it, we're then going to click Submit. And then we will come to the Proceed page. We'll make sure all of our details are correct, and then we'll click Proceed. When we do that, then Fantastico will start the install process. We have our credentials, which we will want to copy and bookmark. We're going to take our password, and then we're going to go to the admin area. We're going to write in our username and password. Once we do that, we'll then have access to Open Cart. To fully configure Open Cart, we can go to their home page. There's also a community forum, as well as a support page. What you'll note is that this is a user-friendly interface, and that if you have clients and you're looking to start a store for them, it's possible that you would be able to use Open Cart if you are comfortable with the community-oriented solution system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.